welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today I have another haul for you. It is a very miserable day outside, so hopefully I'll brighten up my day today with this haul because I'll be unboxing some very beautiful colorful pieces that I picked up from Hermes. I'll show you my new bag and I'll show you what I picked up from the Chanel sale. Well, I didn't buy anything from the Chanel sale, spoiler. I actually bought something from the new collection. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram where I show you more of my new purchases, how I style them, my daily outfits. So if you're interested, come say hello on my Instagram as well. I would love to see you there. Okay, should we start with the new bag? Okay, oh my god, I'm very excited. I put it back in the original dust bag, but I did wear it already. And you will see in one of my upcoming vlogs, I wore this and I got so many compliments. It is the most beautiful color and I'm sure many of you won't be able to guess the color. So, I picked up another bag from Sandals. Guys, this is the most perfect summer color. Can you guys guess what color I got? Ta-ta-da-da! How beautiful is this bag? Like, honestly, isn't it perfect for summer? So I picked up the Mini Maestra. You guys know that I have two more Sandals bags and I love them so much. I use them for work mainly because they're the larger size. This is the mini, I have the medium, and there is also a size up, which is the largest. And the medium size I use for work mainly. However, I really wanted to try out the smaller size as an everyday bag, as I thought this would be perfect for every day, or even when you're going on holidays, this will be the perfect holiday bag because you can wear it as a backpack, you can wear it crossbody so you have your hands free. There are so many ways you can use these bags. I think there are like 5 different ways you can wear it. The Sandals Maestro bags were designed for the working woman, so they're very functional. That's another reason why I love them. I'll open it up so you can see. This one comes with a magnetic closure. The smaller sizes come with magnetic closure, which is very secure. So again, perfect for traveling, when you are sightseeing and you don't want to worry about anything. There is a zip as well, so even more secure. I stuffed it again, so this is how it came all stuffed, so I wanted to show you, but I did already wear the bag out. So this is it inside. It has so many pockets, it's very deep and it fits a ton, but you can also organize everything because there are so many compartments. And it has a beautiful micro suede, very luxurious lining inside. These bags are very durable, water resistant, and they're very structured, and you guys know that I love a structured bag. So these are super cute and they have some new limited edition colors. This one, you guys know that I love my limited edition stuff. So this is a limited edition color. It is called Mimosa Chiffon and it is this beautiful yellow. It is such a sunny, bright color. It makes me so happy, and they also have the most beautiful lilac color and baby blue, and definitely guys check them out, especially the limited edition colors this season are so beautiful. I really want the lilac one as well. So guys, if you have been following me on Instagram, you may know I post on my stories. You may know that I started redecorating my apartment and I bought some new furniture. I've been really into home decor. Actually, I've always been interested in home decor. I love browsing, picking unique pieces. Let me know if you'd be interested in a home vlog so I can show you my new furniture and accessories that I bought for my flat. So let me know if this is something that you would like to see. I definitely found some very unique pieces and I would love to show you if you're interested. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And I bought a new sofa, finally. I've been looking for a nice sofa for my living room and I found a really beautiful one in a grey color. And I have a little problem with my cat. I have a cat, if you don't know, Yoshi. He's a little monster and he loves scratching my furniture. So I tried to protect my sofa by covering it with blankets. But the blankets I had were really not great, and I was looking for a new, beautiful, very luxurious and nice looking blanket. And guess what? Senreve is launching a new home collection. And when I saw the blankets, yes, they have blankets, I was like in love. Guys, they're so beautiful, and let me show you what I picked. Isn't this the most beautiful blanket? It's so luxurious, it is so soft. I wanna cuddle with this blanket all day long. It is the softest, nicest quality blanket. It's cashmere, it's pure cashmere, and it feels so luxurious and so beautiful. And this is another limited edition piece. This color, it's like a marble effect color, so I picked this to put on my new sofa. This way I won't have to worry about Yoshi scratching my furniture and my sofa, because when the sofa is covered with blankets, he doesn't scratch, so that's great. So Senreve actually created this beautiful home collection. They don't only have blankets, they have homeware, they have candles, and they all look very luxurious. So if you want to create your own zen at home, definitely check out their new range, especially now that we're spending more time than ever at home. We all want to be very comfortable and cozy, and we want our homes to look beautiful. You guys know that Senreve has very good quality handbags that are made in Italy, and they source the highest quality leather available, and they took the same approach when creating their home range. They source only the best materials. The cashmere is harvested humanely from nomadic goats in Mongolia by local herders, and they produce the finest cashmere. Every piece is hand knit, hand dyed from small family owned farms, and it is, as I mentioned, 100% cashmere that's very soft and breathable, and it is perfect for all seasons. Mine is very neutral. It has neutral accents like marble. It has a marble look, and my print is called agate print, but you can also pick a pop of color. They have two tones, color block options. So yeah, this is so amazing. Definitely check it out. I think you'll love them. Honestly, I wish you could touch this through the screen because it is so soft. I just don't want to. I don't want to leave it. I want to cuddle it throughout this video. Alright, let's move on. So I want to show you what else I picked up. I think I'll start with Chanel. Shall we start with Chanel? So let's see what I picked up. I mentioned I didn't buy anything from the sale, guys. The sale was amazing, but most of the sizes were sold out. My sizes were sold out. They had some very beautiful pieces, and I wish I went to the sale earlier, like the first or second day of the sale, but I think I went, I don't know, 4 days after the sale started, and all the good stuff were gone. All the good shoes were gone. They had some classic pairs of shoes, sneakers that went on sale, 40% off, and I missed out, unfortunately. So next time I'll be prepared. I couldn't go earlier because of work, unfortunately, but I still managed to pick up something else, and this wasn't on sale. But when I saw it, I've seen it before, but I don't know why I didn't buy it before. Maybe I was interested in other items and I didn't pay attention, but this time I saw this, I tried it on. It's a pair of shoes. And I was like, yes please, I need these. You guys know my obsession with espadrilles. So these are my favorite style of shoes. My favorite style of shoes from Chanel to buy. They're a classic now. They come out with every collection. You can't go wrong with espadrilles. Some people think espadrilles are done. I don't think they are done. They are the most comfortable shoe from Chanel. I wear them a lot. I get the most wear out of my Chanel espadrilles. That's why I like to buy them, and yeah, I love them. These are very special. You might notice that I tend to go for, I don't like the plain styles. I like something with a twist. So these are very special because they have these beautiful sparkly, like glittery threads. They look so beautiful. They're in this beautiful blue color, and they have these turquoise, blue and silver threads going through them, so they're in the tweed material. And I love how the CC sign is in the same blue color. I don't really like espadrilles that are light color and have a dark black CC logo on top. I like these because they're a bit more understated. Well, they're not really understated because there is still a big CC, but it's not very contrasting. It is the same color as the espadrille, so I love these a lot. They're all leather inside. I got mine in size 38. They don't come in half sizes, they only come in 37, 38, 39 and so on. So yeah, these are them. I'm not gonna lie, I already wore them. That's why I'm barely touching them, because I already wore them. I couldn't wait. They're so beautiful with all denim looks, and they look great with my coco handle as well. So yeah, I love those. These are from the current collection. I'm not sure when this video is coming up. So the new pre-fall collection is launching this weekend. So these are from the current collection now, at the time I'm filming the video, so the collection before the pre-fall. Which collection is that? The summer collection? Let's move on. I have 2 orange baggies, and which one should I start with? Okay, this is very exciting. So let's see if you can guys guess what I got. If you've watched my vlog, you probably know. However, you only saw one bag because the other one I bought a few days later after that vlog. I'll link the vlog up here if you've missed that one. It's my Chanel sale vlog. So this you might know what it is because you saw that I bought these. It's a pair of shoes. I think it was pretty obvious that I bought these because they're amazing. Aren't they? So these guys are actually my first pair of orange sandals. How beautiful is this color? This is a limited edition color, and I know they're like almost the same color to the Chanel ones. Let me grab them. So yeah, as you can see, I was on a blue wave that day because I bought 2 pairs of blue shoes. But they're different styles. These are more summery open sandals, and to be honest, I didn't want to get the classic white or black or tan because these are the 3 most popular colors. Everyone has these, and I wanted to stand out a little bit and buy something different. These are limited and they were sold out online. They were going very fast. They were sold out for a while. I think they received some more stock, and they had 1 pair left in my size, which is 38. I did wear them again. I couldn't wait, and I wore them. But at least now I can report back and tell you if they're comfortable. Okay, so these, I wore them once all day long. At first they were fine, very, very comfortable, but at the end of the day I had massive blisters. However, I know these stretch a lot. So I just need to break them in. I have to wear them a few more times, and I'm sure I'll break them in very quickly and they won't hurt because I know these are very comfortable. The leather is very soft and it stretches a lot. So they'll definitely give in and they'll be very comfy. It's just the first 1 or 2 times you wear them, they might be a bit tight, but I'm sure they'll be fine comfort-wise. They are the perfect summer shoe. I love this color. I think it's beautiful and it goes with so many things. These go again with my coco handle, with all denim looks, with beautiful dresses, with white dresses. So I can't wait to wear them more. And guys, Hermes releases new seasonal colors every summer, I think, but they sell out very quick. So if you see something that you like, buy it. Don't think about it, just buy it. They even have a good refund policy. You can order online, and if you change your mind you can return it, but don't think about it. If you see something, buy it because they sell out. You will die when you see this next item. This was on top of my wish list. I really wanted this. It was sold out. It got sold out online because I hesitated at first. I wasn't sure if I should buy it, and I told you what happens when you think too long. Things sell out very fast. So I managed to get my hands on this, and let's open it up. Can you guys guess what it is? Can you guys guess? I have 1 baggie. Oh my god. Hermes does the best colors. They're so vibrant and so unique and beautiful. So I bought another pair of orange sandals. These are the ones that I initially wanted. I wanted these the most. I saw the blue ones and I really liked them, but I thought these are a bit more unique. And these, I don't know if you can guys see, they are in the suede style. The suede and leather are the same price. I initially thought this would be probably double the price. I was like, okay, they're suede, they will probably be at least double the price. You know how it is with like luxury brands and Hermes. But I was surprised to find out that they're actually the same price. So £495, and these are so much more comfortable than the other ones because they're suede. They're super soft, so I wouldn't even need to break them in. Honestly, they're so soft, so I highly recommend, if you see a suede style, definitely pick it up because they are the most comfortable out of all the Hermes sandals. Also, I picked up a different size in these. I'm not sure if I mentioned the blue ones. I picked up in size 38, which would be my normal size, and these I went half size up. My SA kept both sizes for me on hold. I initially only wanted the 38 and he insisted that I try on the 38.5 because apparently in different finishes they run differently, the sizing is different, and actually he was right. I'm glad that he kept 38.5. They don't look big, maybe they look slightly bigger, but they're much more comfortable. I did try 38.5 in the blue ones as well, just to compare, and they looked massive on me. Yeah, these are so beautiful. The color is honestly so nice. Imagine if you have tanned skin in the summer and this bright like pop of color against the tan skin, it will look so nice. You guys know that I've been a bit obsessed with colors lately, especially like fuchsia pink, and these are so unique. So these again are a seasonal color, so once they're gone, they're gone. And they initially released these in leather, and the leather ones I saw online, but they sold out very quick. They were very popular. And then I didn't even see these suede ones online. I actually saw them on Instagram and I asked my SA and he said they're sold out, but they're expecting some more stock. I have also been told that Hermes releases 2 or 3 colors in the suede style. However, this year they only released this hot pink in suede. They didn't have any other suede styles. I think from now on, whenever I see a suede, I'll buy it because they are honestly so comfortable. And I actually think they look better. I think they look more expensive. I love the suede finish. So yeah, I love these. So this is the other pair that I picked up, and I was after one more pair of orange sandals in yellow, and they had the exact same color as this bag, but they were sold out. They were almost identical and I really wanted them. They would have been such a great match with the bag, but unfortunately they're sold out. They offered me another pair of yellow that they just received, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't buy them. I will insert a clip here so you can see these are the other pair that I saw, and I really liked them, but they were more like a mustardy color. So I didn't buy those, but these are available currently and they are again a seasonal color if you're interested. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Which was your favorite item? What do you think about the new bag, the new shoes? Can't wait to wear these cuties. Oh my god, they're so nice. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The sky cleared. I don't know if you can tell, but it's much brighter, and maybe I can put on my new shoes and go out now. It's perfect timing just when I finished filming. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.